got this really expensive, crazy carbon fiber.
Gonna be the only E93 in India with the Eventuri Plenum.
So we're here at N1 and there's always some cool cars to see. Next time I'm recording here, the Evo's back, so. What's up, guys, and welcome back. Today we're headed to N1 Racing with my boy Jagaraj. You guys might remember him, the drifting Paji, who's also got the E93 M3 and the F82 M4, but we all know him from his E93 M3 drifting, going crazy, him going ham. But today he's gonna go pick up his M3 from N1 Racing. Like I said, we're gonna go to N1 Racing. He's got this really expensive, crazy carbon fiber Eventuri Plenum and intake installed. I can't wait to check it out. It's going to sound insane because he doesn't have an exhaust, and all you're going to hear is just crazy intake sounds. So we're going to go check it out. Possibly dyno his car. I'm possibly going to dyno my car. This time we're going to do it in third gear and get proper numbers. So yeah, let's see what his car makes, and then hopefully I get dyno my car and we'll get to see what I make. So yeah, let's go. So I'm here with Juggy, Mr. Drift.
What's up?
Drift Baji. So what did you just do to your car?
So I've just upgraded the intake to Eventuri intake and
Plenum.
and the Eventuri Plenum. So it's gonna be the only E93 in India with the Eventuri Plenum and the intake.
Costs a lot of money. That's why it's the only one. I'm kidding. But so basically, you know that portion of your engine, the intake manifold, you can say, on these cars, the M3 and the M5, the E60 M5, they have ITBs, which is individual throttle bodies. They don't have just one. They have 8 and 10, whatever, you know, depending on engine size. So that's where Plenum comes in, and that goes on top, and that replaces your whole, you know, manifold or whatever you want to say. The part that says M and V8 on it is full carbon fiber, and it just sounds so amazing.
I'm waiting for the sound.
I can't wait for the sound. The best part is you're in stock exhaust, so all we're gonna get is some crazy sounds. So yeah, looking forward to that. And then you got the Eventuri carbon fiber intake, which is also very expensive. Very nice as well. Beautiful. When you pop the hood, the car just looks beautiful. I can't wait to see it in person. I've never seen it in person.
Really?
I've never seen one of these in person. It looks so nice online.
Yeah, same.
So yeah.
Let's see.
Just stuck in traffic now on our way to N1. Hopefully I'll get to dyno my car. He's gonna dyno his car. Let's see what power makes. So yeah. Here we are with the weekend torque boys. What's up? You guys excited to see the intake? Most expensive intake in the world for the M3. Let's go. Oh my god. Damn. Check it out. Full CF. Full CF. Number 667. There's only 667 of these in the world. How cool is that?
Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going.
We're here with Tarun. What's up, Tarun? Got to dyno the M3. See what power puts down. So you see down there, it's got a custom carbon fiber scoop as well that comes with the kit. So dope. E94
With this stock tune.
with no tune, just in the intake. Wow, that's more than what I need, bro. That's way more than I need. So that's what it looks like from the inside, guys. How dope is that? So we're here at N1 and there's always some cool cars to see. Here's a Supra all the way from down south. Really sick wheels. Really nice kit. Hey there, kitty. How you doing? You like the Supra? Yeah, I like the Supra too. So Ruel, why don't we switch to a B-roll of some cool cars?
Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Swerving, making plays, cool Ferrari red. Never out my zone, touchdown in my hands. Only fam around me, I can't have no friends. Had to cut you off.
So Jogi, you happy with your dyno results?
Mad.
Very nice power gains.
More than the power, I'm happy with the sound.
The sound is so good. What do you guys think?
Did you record the sound?
Of course, I try to get as much as I can. Right now we're gonna dyno my car and see what power it makes.
Had to cut you off, you left me out for dead. Ever since I was a teen, had prices on my head. Had to cut you off, you left me out for dead. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do.
As you can see, I only have this intake. That's it. He's gone ahead and done the plenum, which is this whole portion that you saw in carbon fiber. And obviously the inside of that is way more refined and better suited, a little more newer technology. Eventuri has went ahead and made it. Like I said, there's only about 600 of them ever made all around the world, and he's got number 676 or whatever that number was. But here we go, about to dyno my car. Let's see what power it makes. Just setting it up right now. We got it strapped up. Gonna let it cool down a bit because I just came back from a long drive from Andheri and there's traffic, so it's heat soaked. You had to put the headphones on. Alright, so we're done the dyno day, or the dyno night, dyno evening, whatever you want to call it. My car's not making that much power. I gotta get rid of that flame tune or whatever. But anyways, we're out with the boys now for a night drive. As you can see, beautiful weather here in Mumbai. Got some nice cars out, so check it out. We got my boy Prithvi's E93 M3, a custom paint job. You can't see it. Boston green. Got my baby right there, of course. Top off. Got my boy Anuja's C63. And then Jugraj's E93 back there. So, gonna be a fun night. Got all the M3s. I got all the three M3s lined up with the tops off. Beautiful sight to see. So we just pulled up here, squad deep. C63, E93 M3. E93 M3, another E93 M3, another C63, and Jazz E63S. Put your hand there. And suck your hand in. So back after a long day. See the M3, got the S back there, we got the LX back there. Hopefully next time I'm recording here the Evo's back, so really waiting on that. Still not back. Fingers crossed. Ranjit said it's gonna be back this week, so let's see. Other than that, my M3 isn't making that much power, but then I realized it's 10 years old, and the quality of fuel we have, and our road conditions, and the way it's been maintained probably over the years, probably not the best. So whatever. Like I said, it's not a go fast car. The Evo is. So hope you guys enjoyed that little night out with the boys / dyno evening / I don't know. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Back to being an avatar. Finally home. Can't wait to hit the bed. I'm so tired. But hopefully next time I see you guys, we'll be shifting gears with our hands.